Hello everyone, my name is Ann Fields and I'm founder of Peaceful Poses Kids Yoga. Today I want to show you how to make breathing beads. So what you will need is a pipe cleaner, any color you want, and I use 10 beads. So here's my packet of the 10 beads that I have chosen. So what you'll do with the pipe cleaner, you take one end and you're going to knot it. So once you knot it and put it like this, sometimes it takes two knots, just so you know. You will start at your own choice and your own creativity, thread them through, and then you keep bringing the beads on. 10 is plenty because each bead represents a breath. So once you have 10 on here, you just knot the other end and tie it. So here are mine. This is what I use. So what you'll do is you'll take all your beads to one end, and I like to put this at my desk, a little mindful break during the day, especially if we're learning at home. It's a great way to just have a break. Take one bead, hold it like this, breathe in, breathe out. And again, take your bead, breathe in, and breathe out. You're going to do this for all 10 beads. You don't have to go fast. You'll find yourself slowing down as you go, breathing in and breathing out. You can do this for all 10. At the end, how do you feel? After 10 deep breaths, do you feel different? I always feel better. I hope you do too. The other thing that I like to do, especially with New Year's right around the corner, is a worksheet called I Am. So with this I Am and all the pie places around it, you can take this or write just something similar if you don't have this exact worksheet and write things about yourself that are positive, that are good qualities about yourself. We all have good qualities. And sometimes we just have to dig a little deep and think about them. And during this pandemic and everything that we're all going through as kids or teens or adults, we have found some strengths in each of us that is pretty amazing. So maybe one of them is I am amazing. And you can write it and then color it. You can glitter it, which is what I would do. There's all kinds of things that you can do. Another one might be I am resourceful. We've found things and ways to make our life work for right now. Another option would be I am resilient. So there's all kinds of things that you can put in here, and it's your worksheet and it's just private for you. If you ever want to share it with me, you are welcome to, and I would love that. My email is info@peacefulposeskidsyoga.com. You're welcome to email me. I chat with anyone. So fill this out, and it's just for you. Hang it in your closet, hang it on your refrigerator, wherever you want to hang it, to just kind of remind yourself how amazing you've been through this. And we have rocked this the best we can. Have an amazing 2021. Take 10 deep breaths, and if you need me for anything, please contact me. Goodbye.